we have to make sure that all the product that is inside the shredder is all gone.
Any sort of debris that's in there, we have to clear all out so it's all nice and clean. We have to knock it out with a hammer, so when it comes to going to change the teeth, you can get the tool on there to get the teeth off.
You guys are doing a full blade change in here. How many blades have you got to change?
We've got to change approximately 150 teeth.
How often are you changing this amount of blades?
Approximately 3 to 4 weeks. It will take from 8 o'clock in the morning till 5 at night, so all day basically.